Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your JBL Clip 5 speaker to the iPhone. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, firstly, we need to turn on the power on this speaker. Find this button on the left side, press it and hold till you hear the voice signal until this indicator starts blinking. Great! It can automatically go in a pairing mode if you connected to the phone earlier before, but if not, you need to find this Bluetooth button. So now I'm gonna press it. And as you can see, this indicator flashing now, and we can move to the next step. So open settings on your phone and find Bluetooth. We need to turn it on. And in the list of other devices, we need to find our JBL Clip 5 speaker. Simply click it. And great, now it's connected to the phone. Now we can check if everything works correctly. So, choose any music app you have and play a song. So everything is working perfectly, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.